What are the most important requirements when selecting an external meeting room? 1. Central location, easy to reach via subway. 2. Chic, energetic design. 3. On-site support, including cleaning services and tech assistance. 4. Curtains, privacy is important. 5. No interruptions. This is one of the greatest benefits of an off-site meeting. 6. Complimentary coffee and drinks. 7. Convenience of ordering food during long sessions. 8. Variety in room types and sizes, formal and informal, big, medium or small. Focus on venues with multiple meeting rooms. 9. Easy booking via telephone, online, app. 10. Flexibility to change a meeting room at an hour's notice to accommodate last-minute changes. 11. Combinations in room selection. You can start in an informal room and move to a formal one. 12. Value for money. No more wasting money on hotel meeting rooms, please. 13. No membership fees. Don't settle for anything less than the best if you want to get the most out of your meeting. Have a fruitful meeting.